The Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale is a versatile and practical tool designed for a variety of culinary needs, including weight loss, baking, cooking, keto dieting, and meal preparation. This digital scale measures in both grams and ounces, providing accurate readings for precise ingredient measurements. Its LCD display ensures clear visibility, making it easy to read measurements even in low light conditions. The medium-sized platform is spacious enough to accommodate a wide range of ingredients, from small spices to larger items like fruits or vegetables. Constructed with 300 for stainless steel, the scale is durable and resistant to corrosion, ensuring long-lasting use in the kitchen. One of the standout features of the Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale is its user-friendly design. The tare function allows users to reset the scale to 0 after placing a container on it, ensuring that only the weight of the ingredients is measured. This feature is particularly useful for recipes that require multiple ingredients to be measured sequentially. The scale also has an auto-off function, which helps conserve battery life when not in use. Additionally, its compact and sleek design makes it easy to store in small kitchens or drawers, saving valuable counter space. The accuracy of the Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale, another major advantage. With a maximum capacity of 5 kilograms 11 pounds, and a precision of 1 gram or 0.05 ounces, it is suitable for both everyday cooking and more specialized tasks like baking or meal prepping. This level of precision is especially beneficial for those following specific diets, such as the keto diet, where exact measurements are crucial. The scale's ability to switch between grams and ounces with a simple button press adds to its convenience, catering to a wide range of users. Despite its many positives, the Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale does have a few drawbacks. Some users have noted that the LCD display can be difficult to read from certain angles, which may be inconvenient during use. Additionally, the scale is powered by AAA batteries, which are not included in the package, requiring an additional purchase. While the stainless steel construction is durable, it can show fingerprints and smudges easily, necessitating frequent cleaning to maintain its appearance. In conclusion, the Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale is a reliable and efficient tool for anyone looking to enhance their cooking, baking, or meal prepping experience. Its accurate measurements, user-friendly features, and durable construction make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. However, the minor issues with the display visibility and the need for separate battery purchases are worth considering. Overall, this scale offers excellent value for its price and is well suited for both casual cooks and serious food enthusiasts. A link to order this product on Amazon has been provided in the description below.